Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set up or customize the button shortcuts on this watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu. To do it, press the upper button. Then scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the system and then tap on it to enter, of course. And here you should see the option called shortcuts. Select it, and here we have the list of shortcuts we can customize or use. As you can see, by default, hold start is to open the controls. Hold back, which is the lower button, is to open the flashlight or turn it on basically. And Start+Back is screenshot. And we can change it, we can customize it. For example, we can tap on hold back. And then we can scroll through the list of functions, find the one we want to use with that shortcut. For example, let's say do not disturb mode. And now when I press and hold the lower button, it will turn on the do not disturb mode and turn it off. And you can assign different functions to these three shortcuts, basically. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And the watch, or rather shortcuts, should be working on the watch face as well. So if we press and hold the lower button, same for the upper button and both buttons, which was a screenshot, so we need to press and hold it like this. Okay, and that's how you set up or change the button shortcuts on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.